Welcome to yet another Royal Family meeting. Welcome. If you are new here, it is I, your host, Taquana Lanisha, Taquana the Brat, Princess Quana to be exact. And in today's Royal Family meeting, it is a baddie mentality meeting slash a baddie wardrobe meeting where I am showing y'all basically me practicing on how to install a wig on my own head. Shout out to Kierra Chanel. That's really where I got the whole layout, I guess. On how to put on a wig. I watched one of her videos. It was the Arrogant Tay inspired one. So right now I'm doing what she did in the video, which was clean the space, clean my forehead off with alcohol, and then I'm gonna get that dry with the blow dryer. Y'all, this video might be this baddie meeting might be a little bit choppy because it took me so long to like do this because I wanted to make sure I had it right. So yeah, I had so much unnecessary footage. So after that, she went in and started applying the wig adhesive, which I'm doing now. I think she said she used like 3 layers, which I used about 3 too. I'm using the Ghost Bond glue. This is my first time using anything other than Got To Be glue. I don't really like Ghost Bond. I like the way it secured my wig real good, but it stayed sticky. Like, it was still sticky even days later, but the wig was still on, which I liked. But yeah, it stayed sticky though. Also, she said you can apply the layers back to back. Don't wait for the layers to dry. Like, don't wait for one layer to dry and then apply the next layer. You want it to still be sticky and tacky so the wig can stay down. You want to make sure also that the glue is smooth, like once you rub it in, I guess. You want to make sure it's smooth, not any chunks, because that will like mess up the install. So right here, this is an extra step. I'm just sewing the stocking cap down. You don't have to do this, it's not necessary, but I like to do this part. Baby, it took me a while because I had them nails on. I'm glad one of them had popped off. So it made the install a little bit easier. Oh, 2 of them popped off. The thumb and the index. But yeah, it made the install a little bit easier. If you got on nails doing this, I don't know how you do it. But now I'm letting the glue dry. I'm not letting it dry completely. I'm letting it get tacky. So, oh wait, I'm tripping. I am letting it dry completely because this is for the wig cap. This is not for the wig. This is to secure the wig cap. So yes, I'm letting the glue dry completely, and that's when I noticed it was still sticky. And then I'm just cutting it with a eyebrow what's that thing called? A eyebrow razor, whatever it's called. For some reason, I can't get my words out how I want to now that I'm trying to talk to y'all. This is crazy. But yeah, I'm cutting as close as I can to make everything look seamless, and then I'm going back whatever I didn't get, I'm trying to lay that back down. And y'all watching me practice right now. I'm not no pro, but I definitely decided I want to take my hair journey serious. And yeah, I want to pop out with all the new styles without paying all that money. So who better to learn than me, myself? Okay, what y'all just saw, I put the foundation on. I used concealer, Pro Girl concealer. And she also said in her video that you don't want to use too much concealer because that can affect the way that that the wig laid down. And now I'm putting it on the wig so everything will be the same color. One thing I learned with these wigs, you want to make sure you're checking your progress. Like, you want to try the wig on, see how it's looking. If you want to do some extra stuff to it, you just want to make sure you're trying it on and see where you at. So yeah, I tried it on and then I just applied the glue to one side. That's what she said in her video. Apply the glue to one side. Do sections. Don't apply the wig all the glue at once. And I'm letting that glue get tacky. When I come back, y'all gonna see me with the whole wig on. See, I told y'all this video is kinda all over the place a little bit because I had so much unnecessary footage and I kept going out the camera frame. But it's okay. Next wig video is gonna be better. And then I'm putting a little bit more Pro Girl concealer. I'm using the color Fawn, if you're wondering. And then that's me using a Q-tip with alcohol to just clean up some of that concealer. I would advise y'all not to put any more concealer. Oh, that's me excited. I'm excited, so I started dancing. Because it looked good. But I should never put that last bit of concealer on it. Because then it started looking a little bit just slightly orange. Y'all, look, I'm so excited that this the best wig and style that I did so far. Thank you to Kierra for sharing the video. The Arrogant Tay inspired wig video. That helped me so much. Okay, and then I just went in and plucked some more stuff, a little bit more customization. But yeah, definitely you want to have concealer or foundation, anything that's like close to your color, and don't put too much. See, look at me, I'm too excited. Like, this wig looking like something. It's looking like something. Look, yeah, you gotta check every type of camera. I had to, pull out the phone, see what it's looking like, what it's hitting on. Then it's just me pushing all the hairs back, making sure everything is how I want it to be before I start my baby hairs. That hot comb, I broke it. That's why it looked like that. I actually made a mistake, and it's a long story. I need to get a new one. But yeah, now I'm hot combing the baby hairs for, like she said, Kierra Chanel. Oh, y'all make sure y'all don't put too much mousse. That was mousse that I just put. Make sure y'all don't put too much mousse because it will lift your lace. If you like this video, if you like this baddie mentality / baddie wardrobe meeting, let me know. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments, or you can hit me up on Instagram. Speaking of Instagram, if you would like to catch more of the Baddies vibe, you can on Instagram at the Royal Baddie. It's on the screen. And if you would like to listen to any of my music, any Baddie tunes, and catch my vibe that way, you can on YouTube. You can listen to my music on YouTube at the Royal Baddie. If y'all want to see any other type of videos, let me know. Drop it in the comments or DM me on Instagram. I definitely get those out to y'all. Excuse the noise in the background. Yeah, so this how the baby hairs came out. I wasn't feeling them too much, but I just kept reminding myself, yo, this practice, it gets better. It gets better. And y'all, that's all for this meeting. I got bloopers ready for y'all at the end. Yeah. Until next time, meeting adjourned. Bye.